This slide, basically, we're going to talk about a few of the best practices that we would like all the students to follow. Some thoughts that which came into our mind, and we thought we should share with you as to how you look at this entire PDP preparation. Right. And the first and the foremost thing that I would like to urge students to do is to make sure that they have a separate book maintained for PDP. Jot down whatever comes to your mind about you, about your career, about whatever you're preparing, and jot it down and keep it there with you in that book. Will come very handy when you're going for your interviews later on. Probably 5 days before the interview, you can pick up the book and go through it and browse through whatever you have done, and it'll all become a top of the mind recall for you. Second thing is, I would want you to spend a few minutes every week for your PDP preparation. Rather than sitting on one single day and trying to reflect across your life for the whole day, which doesn't work actually. It's better to take it part by part, spend time whenever you feel good, and sit and introspect about what your life is all about. Or probably sit down on a day when you have a mood and write down a short career goal essay, or probably look at what you want to do in your future, why you're getting into a particular college. So all these kind of essays can be jotted down during this entire preparation, probably an essay a week, or probably when you are in mood and you think you can write something, you can probably pick up the pen and start writing. Third, I'm going to give you a few tasks to work on, and this entire preparation makes sense only if you finish those tasks by deadline. Whatever is given to you, we urge you to work on it and finish it off before deadline, so that when we're discussing that out, you have your sample in front of you. Another very important thing, please don't copy. Come out with genuine, convincing answers which you are able to defend in the interview. Make sure that these answers are your own, and these answers have been thought through very, very seriously, because interview is all about conviction, and that conviction can only happen if you have sat down and thought about the answers and then written it down on your own, right? So it will not come otherwise, and that's one very important thing that I would like all of you to follow. Some of the questions that I'm going to give you to work on may sound extremely simple, and you would actually think, why would an interviewer ask you this question at all? But then it is important that you treat every single question seriously. I want you to spend good amount of time working on that question. That these are questions which you have thought through and gone for the interview after having spent good enough time pondering over them. So these are few guidelines I would like you to follow. Now, apart from this, there are certain other things that I would want you to keep in mind while you're preparing for your PDP program, and especially when you're preparing for certain questions in the interview. Remember, there is no right or no wrong answers for a lot of questions that's going to be asked in the interview. So for example, if I ask you, why have you taken a particular subject, and why are you wanting to do a management degree now, there can be n number of answers for that. And I can't say a particular answer is right, a particular answer is wrong. I can only see in your eyes the conviction with which you are speaking, the genuinity that is coming out, and hence decide whether what you're saying is true to you or not. So there is absolutely no right answers, no wrong answers, but definitely there are certain answers which are politically correct and politically incorrect. So we will go through that entire political correctness of a statement when you actually sit with us for a mock interview and when you come out with your answers. But your task now is to make sure that you write whatever comes to your mind and whatever you genuinely feel is right for you. Now, I have heard from a lot of students asking me, sir, if I go so well prepared for an interview, will not the interview come to know that I'm prepared for this interview? And how will he feel about it? Now, I think it is good that the interviewer feels that you're prepared for the interview rather than him feeling that you are completely unprepared, right? And once you showcase to the interview that you're really prepared for that selection process, that means the interviewer will feel that you are taking that entire process very, very seriously. In fact, it will reflect upon you in a very, very positive manner. I would want you to keep that in mind. Go prepared. There should be not a single answer unprepared when you're going for the interview. Now, how do you prepare? I wanted to sit and think. I wanted to go through various sources and read. I wanted to research so that you can build conviction. I don't want you to go and read Quora articles. I don't want you to go and read FB pages where people have written out their own opinions. I want you to go and read the websites of colleges where you're applying for. I want you to go in depth on the curriculum of or the courses that you're applying for. I want you to read about some of your professors who are working in those colleges. I want you to understand what the alumni is doing right now and do a bit of research from your side to understand why you are suited for that program, right? The more you read, the better your answers would be. Better your answers and more convinced you are, the interviewer is going to be convinced about what you're answering. So it preparation is the key during your PDP. So when I talk about reading, I don't want you to read, as I said before, from places where you would find a lot of contradicting data. I would want you to go to the B School website. Treat the B School websites as places where you can find genuine information. Collect information from there, because if you're actually talking about a college from the perspective of what you have got from the website, definitely the interviewer who is sitting there is to find that as genuine information. So there is no way that you can contradict him in the interview or probably contradict what the college says in the interview, which often happens when you're reading somebody else's opinion on Quora. So I wanted to keep all these things in mind as we kickstart the entire PDP preparation.